Hello, my name is Abdurrahman. I'm from Commercial Cook, and today I'll be showing you how to make chicken parma. The ingredients for the coating are 2/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 350 grams of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 cloves garlic, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 cups panko breadcrumbs, and 2 eggs. Make sure when you do it, avoid the white part underneath the skin. Now, time to chop the garlic. You have to put the garlic in here, like that. Now try to press as hard as you can. Then you gotta finally chop it. And chop it as so. Get your breadcrumbs, zest, Parmesan cheese, and garlic. Now mix them all in here. Get them all put in here. Get it put in here. Then lightly season it with some salt and some pepper. And just mix it. Lightly beaten the eggs. Time to set our mozzarella. Ew. Yeah. For the sauce, we will be needing 2 tablespoons of finely chopped basil, 1 brown onion, 2 cloves garlic, table salt, white pepper, 750 grams of tomato puree, and olive oil. And of course, for the chicken, we will need 3 chicken breasts. Now put the chicken breast on the paper towel, then pat it so it can be dry. Okay, now I'll show you how to half the chicken breast that we have cut. So I just do this, just slightly scorch it. At the end, leave about 1 centimeter when we're done. We're nearly there. Now that we have left about 1 centimeter there, open it up like a butterfly. Okay, now get a baking paper. get a chicken breast, put it on there. Get another one, then put it on top. Then get a rolling pin or a pounder. Then just flatten it. Yeah. Look at that flat piece of chicken breast. Now, get one of our flattened chicken breasts. First, dip it in the all-purpose flour. Cover both sides. Now, shake off any excess. Then, dip it in the pizza. Then, flip it over. And then, so slippery, so be careful. Shake off any excess again. Then put it in the breadcrumbs. Then flip it again. Make sure it's covered both sides. Got any excess. Then we're gonna pound it again. So cover it up again. Then we will flatten it again. For the sauce, you need to chop the onion and garlic together. Now chop the fresh basil. Yeah. Now time to pour in the brown onion and garlic. So chunky. Now stir the onion and garlic until you can smell the fragrance of it. Now pour in 700 grams of pasta cooking sauce. It's so chunky. Now season it with white pepper and salt. Now pour in the basil. Now let's check if the oil is ready. Get a wooden spoon or chopstick. Put it around there. If there's bubbles there, it's ready. Now that we see the bubbles bubbling around the wooden, it's ready. Now dip the chicken parma carefully into the pan. Now wait for the chicken to be golden brown and turn it. Then when it's golden brown, it's ready. 3, 2, 1. Now the chicken is golden brown. Time to flip it. Oopsies. Look at that crisp. Now pour the sauce on our chicken. Look at that. Now lay the mozzarella pieces on our beautiful chicken. Look at that. Cheesy. Now, when you eat this will be crunchy.